All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Poetic was nice enough to send over their neon series for the S21 FE here. You know that we have this device. So I'm going to crack this open, pop this on here, and show it to you. Let's see here. The neon series is their latest series. It's a two-piece case that I think most people will probably really enjoy. It's a beautiful looking case for the FE. I have it for the S21 the S22 Ultra as well, and you can see the difference here. The camera cutout is what makes this one look a little bit more appealing than the rounded or the squared off corners. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and pop this on. Again, remember this is a two-piece case, so you can take it apart like this. So you have this hard shell, and you have this tougher kind of rough plastic, but it feels really good. You got your military grade down there, 810G. So we'll put this soft portion on first, and then we'll go this way. Pop this on. You can see it kind of goes into the grooves here, and this is just a gorgeous looking case here, man. Let's check out some wireless charging here. All right. And you've got wireless charging. So, you know, this is a good deal because this case here is small. It's not too, for this phone, I'm saying, this is a good size. I like it on here. I like it for the S22 Ultra, and I'll be following up with that one as well after a little bit of use with it. But this one is, the phone is a good size, so it makes for a good experience with the case. And I always feel like that when you have a case, depending on how big your phone is, that's how your experience might be when it comes to one-hand use. So you can see here the cutout for the camera and everything. You can see the buttons are the rubberized material, which is good. Cutout for the microphone. Grip on this side right here. And then all your ports on the bottom. So this is a really nice looking case. I'll leave a link to it down below. So hope you guys enjoyed a real brief video for the S21 FE Fan Edition Poetic Neon case. See you in the next one. Take care.